I just clicked on something here. I was trying to get there. It is. It was $700 million they're losing because the football guys can't play in the football in the college because of the stupid virus thing. Isn't that amazing? All that money lost, gone. But you know what we got? We got each other and we got some food, so we got to vibe with that. We're thankful that you know they can. I think they'll be able to start the season in the spring. Be good for them. Everyone will be at that point. Hopefully they have a vaccine that will help us. But as with everything, and nature runs its course. Mother Nature has a plan, and you can't beat Mother Nature. No matter what you say, she's gonna do what she's gonna do. And then we just roll with it. The cure will come when it comes. It's like everything else. The rain will eventually stop, and it'll be sunny again. So, but in the meantime, we're gonna make some delicious bread. Look at that bread. Ooh, beautiful.
I don't have an bar.
Let's have some of that. Oh. That's some honey wheat toasted over there with some potato bread. Ooh. Just doing it up here today. We're having so much fun. This has been so much fun doing this.
Okay, what's that you guys want?
This is my first stream out of the gate. First one of hopefully many. I'm just gonna keep at it. Hopefully you'll, while you're searching through things to look at and watch, maybe you'll give me a click and say, hey, what's this guy doing over here? So we can share some stories and have some fun. So I'm gonna finish up here, and I'll be back a little later on tonight to maybe read you a good bedtime story. How about that? We all like a good story at night, all right? You guys stay up. Peace and love.